To be prayed in the morning, Goddess Mother Saraswati. Dear students, good morning. Most welcome to YouTube channel of ML Kaushik, an educationist and motivator. Today I am taking your poster designing. How to design a poster. Previously I took all the characteristics of poster designing. Today I am directly taking how to design a poster. For example, there is Go Green. The topic grow green, grow more and more trees. Trees are green gold. Like this, there may be any topic for the promotion of greenery on the earth. This is the topic. Now, how to design a poster? Actually, we have to take the art sheet on which we have to design a poster. The poster is for display board or for walls. It has already been circulated to you. We have to write at the top, go green, grow more and more trees. Trees are green gold. Any of the titles is to be taken and is to be highlighted, is to be written in dark letters, is to be overwritten and darkened, highlighted, so that at a glance it can be seen that this is related to go green. And in middle we have to make a tree, and a tree that is to be colored in green, and from that particular tree we have to make arrows in different directions. Through those arrows we have to indicate, as in that particular tree we have to write down, we get from trees. We get from trees. And arrows will indicate what do we get from trees. We have to write in dark letters, in capital letters, medicines, paper, rubber, gum, furniture means timber, beauty, fruits, flowers, control soil erosion, shelter for wild animals. Like this, we have to bring different things which we get from trees are to be shown, indicating by arrows. And then on the ground surface we have to make grass, means we have to beautify the earth with greenery, and under that we have to write slogans. As for example, you have written go green at the top, and under that particular tree we have to write down in one side, trees are green gold. Then into second side we have to write down, we are no more without trees, as oxygen is the rich source of trees. And under that, trees and plants beautify the earth. Like this we have to write down slogans, and all this matter is to be encircled or is to be set in square on that particular paper. Under this matter there will be one leaf, one portion, and in that particular portion we have to write down who is circulating this poster. For example, Forest Department, Aligarh. Like this we have to design this poster. And second topic, for example, there is plantation program. Then this topic will be different. Therefore, the content will also be different. We have to write down here plantation program, date means on, time at, place we have to give, mention the name of the place where will this program be organized, then the chief guest and the name of the particular chief guest with designation, then the purpose to enrich greenery, to promote plants and trees in the area, to eradicate pollution. Like this, we have to write down the chief points, date, time, place, chief guest, and then appeal. Plant the plants to save life, to eradicate pollution. And under that, we have to write down in one leaf at bottom who is organizing this program in that poster, maybe Lions Club, maybe Rotary Club, maybe Students Parliament, maybe any other organization. Like this, this is the poster, and it is to be beautified, it is to be decorated in colorful nature. I think, dear students, you have understood how to design a poster on Go Green and plantation program. Thank you very much.